Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. It is time to stop binge watching other people's YouTube channels, so click that link in the bio so that you can purchase YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner to launch and monetize your new channel. Now you're going to go into Canva. We're going to type in channel banner art template, which will bring you here. In my other videos, I show you how to download this image, which is what we always use as our foundation. This is what we always use as our base when we are creating our channel banner arts. Okay, so once you download this from Google, you just go to upload media and then just use it as your base when you are creating your channel banner art. Okay, so as a reference point, I already took a screenshot of Diara's channel banner art, so I'm just going to be dragging and dropping this image here so that we can use this as our reference opposed to hopping off of Canva and onto YouTube, right? So I'm just going to do this here, you guys. And I have other videos on how to create YouTube inspired channel banner arts and thumbnails, so click my playlist so that you can see that. We're going to go to elements, tap this square here, and I'm just going to change the color to white before I adjust. So I'm just going to adjust it here. And when I first used to do my channel banner arts back in 2015, I would create it, upload it. It would be out of the dimensions and partially visible, and then I would have to do it again and again and again, trial and error, until it fit the actual channel banner art dimensions when I uploaded it to YouTube. Doing this and using this as your foundation saves you all of that time. It's a one and done kind of thing. So you're going to go to text, and for our text you're going to type in the first part of your YouTube name, or if you're doing your actual name, your first name. So of course, you know, the girl with the guy's name, gang, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do Ryan, and I always do my middle name, so I'm just moving it over to this side so that I have space for that. And the font we're going to use for the first text is going to be Hagrid Light. You can type this into Canva, and we're going to change this to a light gray color. And I went through so many fonts on here, you guys, so that I can achieve that R exactly how Diara has it. Maybe I missed it, but this is something similar. As you can see, very thin text, very kind of like a minimalistic kind of vibe, right? Modern vibe for this text. So we're going to be going with this. You can also type thin so that you can search all of the thin text, but yes, just as a suggestion. And then you go to text, we're going to add text, and for this we're just going to do the first letter of the second group of text that we are going to be using. Okay, so you're going to do the first letter of the second group of text we're going to be using, and we're going to use Miss Truly. Okay, you can always type in calligraphy and all of the scripted fonts will pop up. We're going to do Miss Truly for this one, and I'm just going to adjust the M and just resize it, move it a bit over. And what I did was I just highlighted this, tapped the three dots, did copy, so that we can duplicate this instead of doing the entire thing over again. Text, add text, and then changing the font, just duplicate it. And then the second and then the third group of text you are going to do just a bit smaller and all in lowercase, okay? Like this. And there you have it, you guys. Very simple, very basic, very easy, not complicated at all. If you wanted to, you can change the white to, let's see, change the white to like a pink color. If you wanted to add a little bit more oomph, you can say if we changed this and then we just changed the remainder of the text to, I don't know, pink maybe. Let's see. I'm just playing around with this just to show you that you can really do a lot with Canva. If you want to keep it very basic, very simple, very easy, we're going to just change this to pink, and then go to effects, and you can go to neon, and we are going to increase the intensity so that you can actually see it's like a glow in the dark neon kind of vibe. if you wanted to do something, you know, aside from just your classic basic text, if you wanted to. So you can do something like this. And then I think I'm going to change this back to gray because it's not popping out as I would like. If I were to do a channel banner art like this, I would change it to gray so that you actually see it's like a white neon. If you wanted to do something that wasn't as basic as this one here, but this is pretty much how you do Diarra's channel banner art made easy on your pocket camera. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you beautiful kitties on the other side of the pocket camera.